Hey everyone, welcome back. In this one, I'll quickly show you how to redeem reward codes in Monopoly Go. Super simple stuff. So first things first, open up the Monopoly Go app and yeah, just log into your account like usual. Now, look at the top right corner, see that three-bar menu? Go ahead and tap on it. Then select the option called Tycoon Club. Once you're in, you should see a little card or link that says Visit Now. Tap on that and the URL will be copied to your clipboard automatically. Alright, now exit Monopoly Go and open up any browser. Chrome, Safari, doesn't matter. In the URL bar, paste that link you just copied and hit search. From here, you'll see the Monopoly Go page. At the top right corner again, tap the three-bar menu, then choose Reward Codes. And now you'll see the reward code section. Just tap on Enter Code, type your reward code carefully, and click Go. That's it. Oh, and if you're not logged in yet, make sure to sign in first, either with Facebook or your Monopoly Go account. And yeah, that's how you redeem reward codes in Monopoly Go. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.